So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be unboxing the new Red Velvet Season's Greetings 2024. So as you can see, Red Velvet, 5 members with their birthdays and everything. Sugi, Joy, Yeri, Irene and Wendy. Okay, so guys, without further ado, let's unbox this thing. Okay, so give me a moment. I will need to... Okay, this is so much easier to take out because... Okay, how do I do this again? Okay, I shouldn't speak too early, guys. Every time, it's just... Okay. Ooh, almost. Okay. Nice. Okay, so this is the outbox. Let's see what's behind. Okay, nothing special, just the front. And I like the fact, you know, it looks pretty nice, black and white. Okay, next. And it's heavy as well, guys. It's actually quite heavy. So let's see what this season's greetings have. Okay. Let me take everything out. And of course, you can see Irene. Okay. Okay. So the outbox, as you can see, now I will be going through, I think, the diary. Okay, the first thing is the diary, as always. The best way to unbox something. Okay, so it's white in color. And how does it look like? Wait, there's no pictures? Okay, there is pictures. Okay, this is what I expect from Red Velvet as well. Okay, so calendar. It's kind of slippery. Okay, Irene. Followed by... Okay, it's actually quite hard to flip the pages, guys, okay, but Irene. Okay. Next, we have Wendy. Wow, okay, this is actually... Okay, guys, I need to... I can't flip it. But I know there's a... Sugi. Sugi. Okay. And then we have Wendy. Why is this photo book so slippery, guys? But Joy. And obviously Wendy. And guys, when we talk about Red Velvet, definitely, you know, the unboxing that I have about a month ago, it was indeed the best unboxing that I have ever felt. You know, like, I think that was like the highlight of my life. Okay, my life, it may seems like my life is a bit sad, you know, nothing good has happened to me, but you know, there are good moments in my life. But that Irene photocard pull is obviously one of the best moments in my life. You know, I can't explain how happy I was. It's just, you know, the best feeling you can feel, pulling the photo card you won, the member photo card you won out of an album. You know, for Season's Greetings, it's a bit different because, you know, you just get one member each. Like, there's no surprise, you know, there's no surprise. It's like fixed, you know. So yes, this is the diary. Okay, next I will unbox the calendar. Okay, what I was saying earlier, you know, season's greetings, everything is fixed. You get like, you know, calendars, diary, everything the same. So there's none, you know, element of surprise. There's no elements of surprise. And that is one of the reasons why I like to open albums, you know, just not knowing who you will pull. And then suddenly, oh my god, you know, yes, that is the best feeling ever. Hopefully, you know, next album, she will appear in my albums again, okay? 50 over albums, you know, no Irenes, finally got it. So, am I asking for too much for another IRENE photocard? Okay. Wait, am I, yeah, I think I am flipping the same page. And then we have Sugi. Okay, the member that I pulled the most. I always get Sugi, guys. Always. I don't have to worry about not pulling Sugi because every time it's Sugi. Yes, okay. Wendy. Beautiful. Oh, I'm flipping the wrong page again. Okay, for March. And next we have Joy. Okay. So just a simple calendar. You know, SM is releasing all these seasons greetings, you know, for all the groups. And for me, aespa and Red Velvet is the one that I will buy. Oh, I'm flipping the wrong page again. Okay. But yes, Sugi. Okay, I assume that there is a OT5 photo behind. Okay, Wendy. For August. Okay, next we have Joy for September. And of course, her birthday, 3rd of September. Okay, next, Yeri for October. Whoa, this is okay. So, OT5. Okay, for November. One more OT5. Nice, okay. Very good. OT5, Irene, Sugi, Wendy, Joy, and Yeri. Okay. So I assume this is the credits. All these people helping to design this. Okay. And then next, we will be unboxing the A4 poster set. A4 poster set, guys. Okay. Give me a moment. Nice. Okay, but A4 size, guys. Okay, this is the best I can do. Can you all see? Okay, Irene. Followed by Sugi. Wow. Wendy. And then we have Joy. Very beautiful, you know. Yeri. So you get 10 different outfits as well. Irene. Okay. Sogi. And guys, I've bought too many season's greetings this year. I will probably cut down on, you know, the amount I buy next year. Yes, like this year I just spent all my money on season's greetings, guys. Okay, not all, but you know. Okay, so Yeri landscape one, so 10 A4 posters. Okay. Next we have what is this? This is the what is this? Okay, I think I want to open this first. I think all the photo cards are inside, so it's like it's kind of like a folder, I guess. Whoa, okay. Everything is inside. Let me take it out. Whoa, you get so many, guys. Okay. And what is this? Okay, it's just a photo holder set. So basically, these are all the inclusions that you get in this season's greetings. Okay. So okay. I'm quite, you know, lost in this, you know, all these different things, but I think this is the sticker, deco stickers. Yeah, basically stickers. Okay. And you know, why is it crumpled? Okay, so this is why you kind of, you know, put plastics over, you know, this kind of thing so that it won't get crumpled like this. Okay, so next, but it's okay guys. Okay, next we have the deco sticker pack. Let's see what's inside. I think it's all 5 members. Oh, okay. I'm assuming, you know, Espa also has the same thing because they are from the same company, right? So Irene. Okay. Next we have Sogi. And then Wendy. Joy. And Yeri. Okay. Deco sticker set. And then next we have the 4-card photo. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, so Irene, Sogi, Wendy, Joy, beautiful, and Yeri. Okay guys, I can't wait to look at the photo cards. But you know, I'm gonna unbox everything before the photo cards, okay? So ID, so 4-card photo. And then next we have, what do we have left? I see there is a Polaroid, okay, that you get, and always, you know, it's always Sogi. It's random, guys. For the Polaroid photo card, you get basically it's random, so it's Sugi. You know, I'm not even surprised, guys. Like, honestly, it's always Sugi, so it is what it is. Love Sugi, okay? Pretty, by the way. Very, very beautiful. Okay, next we have, what do we have left? There's not a lot of inclusions, but still a few. There is folded posters. Okay, how do I? Okay, folded poster. This is basically the larger version of the calendar, as you've seen just now. Okay, so two different posters, two different folded posters. Like I always say, you know, it's folded. I guess, you know, very beautiful. Okay, definitely red velvet. Please come back next year so I can unbox your albums. Thank you very, very much. Okay, and lastly, we have the postcards. Okay, how do I? Okay, nice. So we have Irene, Sogi, Wendy, Joy, and Yeri. Okay, so the last thing that we have is photo cards. Okay, so give me a moment. I'll take everything here. Okay, so this time round there is 2 packs of photo cards. I think I will unbox this first. I will. Okay. So based on our polls, as of now, we get Sugi. Okay, let me know, you know, how the other Polaroids look like. Do you like it? So basically, every photo card that you get in this season's greetings is fixed, so you don't have to worry about not getting any members. Okay, so we have Irene, okay, Irene, Sugi. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. This photo card is beautiful, guys. Just her not smiling, you know, everything is wow. Okay, next we have Sugi again. Okay guys, I'm just taking my own sweet time unboxing this thing, so if this video is a bit too long, feel free to skip some of the parts. Okay, Wendy. Wow. Okay, in terms of Wendy, I like this one more. Yes, beautiful. Wow, it's always a blessing to be unboxing red velvet products. Okay, Joy. Wow, okay, I have to say though, Joy photo cards look insane. Okay, so this is Joy. Let's look at Yeri. Okay, wait, I need to show you guys. Okay, and then we have Yeri. Okay, Which one do you prefer, guys? I prefer this one. Yes. So this is the tent that you get, and then finally we have another pack to go through. Give me a moment. Oh, I close it up again. Hopefully it's Selfie photo cards. Please. Thank you very much. Okay. What if I, just do this? Okay, no. There's no point, guys, because, you get every member. So there's no point for a drum roll. Okay, so Irene. Giving kisses. And then you have Sugi giving kisses. Okay. And then you have Wendy being cute. And then you have Joy. Wow. Guys, can I just say, Joy photo cards all look, so beautiful. Okay. And then you have Yeri with the beautiful smile. Okay, so this marks basically, the end of this season's greetings for Red Velvet. Thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I know this video might be a little bit too long, but I'm just taking my own sweet time to unbox. So if you enjoy watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.